25 years ago, a lonely green creature in a small hamlet named Whoville showed us that Christmas was about love, forgiveness, and finding joy in connection rather than gifts. For millions of people, The Grinch Stole Christmas became more than just a holiday film. It became a part of their childhood and tale we cherished each year. Its performers Jim Carrey and Taylor Momsen have finally reunited 25 years later, bringing up an unexpected flood of warmth, nostalgia, and emotion. Taylor, who is currently the lead vocalist of The Pretty Reckless, was playing at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame induction ceremony in Los Angeles when it happened. Jim Carrey, who formerly portrayed the Grinch that her character, Little Cindy Lou, who assisted in redeeming, stood among the audience. Time seemed to pause when their gaze locked. Jim grinned, his face filled of love and incredulity. He whispered, "We haven't seen each other since the Grinch." With a laugh, Taylor answered, 25 years. The audience applauded. But for a brief period, it was just the two of them, the child who helped him rediscover his heart, and the actor who used to cover up behind a grumpy green mask with a lot of makeup. Far from the lights and glitz of Hollywood, it was a private, intimate moment that was more enchanted than any manufactured reunion could ever be. Later on, Taylor revealed that working with Jim had permanently changed her. She remembered how protective and kind he was, constantly making sure she was at ease on set. She remarked, "He was incredibly kind. He was always in costume, but his warmth never needed makeup. I don't think I even saw his real face until the movie premiere." This reunion was nearly poetic for fans. The Grinch, who was once feared and misinterpreted, now stood next to the young Whoville girl, grinning triumphantly as she developed into a self-assured, independent artist. It was a reflection of development, time, and the beauty of enduring relationships rather than only nostalgia. Comments like, "My heart just grew 3 sizes," and "This is the reunion we didn't know we needed," were prompted by the photo of them together that swiftly went viral on social media. Fans recalled cozy holiday evenings spent laughing at the Grinch's antics, watching the movie with family, and the comfort that only childhood favorites can provide. The red carpet and celebrity weren't the only things that made the occasion memorable. It was the subtle humanity of it. Two people who had a narrative to tell, had once worked together to produce something pure, and had reconnected decades later. There was a nostalgia, laughing, and the subtle, unsaid realization that their relationship was still stronger after all these years. Seeing Jim and Taylor together once more brought back some very reassuring memories for those of us who grew up with the Grinch. That generosity persists, that memories age like great wine, and that some stories, the ones that strike hearts, truly last forever. Because sometimes the best reunions just happens, organically, wonderfully, and from the heart rather than being scripted. They serve as a reminder that although people may change over time, the magic of connection and shared moments endures forever.